Atlas. This is a really nice one. All the buttons are replaced though.
They're kind of cool though.
Whoa. Wait, are we moving? Wow.
Other than the noise, this thing is incredibly smooth.
I didn't even feel it start.
This thing is weird. This is a really small apartment building. There's only 2 units per floor.
There's a door hold button.
Oh,
I've never seen that before.
I think we have seen one of those before.
Why would you need to hold the door? Wow, that startup is so smooth, you can't even feel it. I mean, you can hear that. Oh.
This building has an actual name. Green Carmel?